Good day, friends. My name is Susduyan Martinez, esteemed Environmental Engineers, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, UDR Cali. I live the area rural of the municipality of the Summit Valley. Travel experience from we went to water of the rivers of San Cipriano Buenaventura. We friends from the municipality was remember nights of love naturals of geography, large important flora fauna. It is a spring of love, water of the excellent cute. Displays of projects of environmental corporations and community. Go regions. Annie is beautiful and important of war. Clay of San Cipriano Buenaventura. Air climate of San Cipriano Buenaventura. It is house place of load of rainfall in the biography Chocó had sun and much green. There is of significant numbers of rivers and water sources. It is has permanent humidity. Recommendations has it is important to bring appropriate clothes, comfortable shoes, sunblock, fly repellents, lives in the side early because in the is very distant of and homes are few. Remember nice of all friends air around that and regions of, important of no late.